The 10 classic cars that defined automotive history. 1886. Benz patent motorwagen. Carl Benz's 1886 patent motorwagen, a three-wheeled vehicle with a single-cylinder engine, is considered the first true automobile, revolutionizing personal motorized transportation with its innovative engineering. 1893 Duryea motorwagon. The Duryea brothers' 1893 motorwagon, America's first gasoline vehicle, combined bicycle mechanics with motor power, featuring a one-cylinder engine and tiller steering, pioneering the automotive industry. 1904. Oldsmobile Model 6C. The 1904 Oldsmobile Model 6C, or curved dash, was a pioneering mass-produced car, known for its distinctive front design and affordability, symbolizing the transition to assembly line production. 1910. Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. The 1910 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, renowned for engineering excellence, set new automotive standards with its smooth ride and reliability, earning the title Best Car in the World. 1927 Ford Model T. The 1927 Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, revolutionized transportation, becoming a cultural icon for its simplicity and reliability, symbolizing American mobility and freedom by its final production year. 1935. Auburn 851 Speedster. The 1935 Auburn 851 Speedster combined Art Deco design with power, featuring a supercharged engine and sleek boat-tail rear, making it a memorable automotive marvel of its time. 1949 Cadillac Series 62. The 1949 Cadillac Series 62 featured modern design, refined tail fins, a powerful V8 engine, and a luxurious interior, marking a new era of automotive ambition and post-war prosperity. 1964 Pontiac GTO. The 1964 Pontiac GTO, considered the first muscle car, combined a powerful V8 engine with affordability, igniting a horsepower race and influencing American car culture significantly. 1967 Jaguar E-Type. The 1967 Jaguar E-Type, praised by Enzo Ferrari as the most beautiful car ever made, is renowned for its stunning design, long hood, sleek profile, and impressive performance. 1974 Lamborghini Countach. The 1974 Lamborghini Countach, with its futuristic design and scissor doors, became an iconic supercar symbolizing excess and ambition, pushing automotive boundaries with its radical style and speed.